Hi guys. If you have difficulties to recognize notes that are sitting on ledger lines, like this one here, then I have a brilliant hack for you. So start drawing 3 ledger lines at the very top of the treble clef and 3 ledger lines at the very bottom of the bass clef, the F clef. So now we do something similar with the very bottom of the treble clef, but we start on the last line here. 1, 2, 3. At the F clef, the bass clef, we start at the top and draw again 3 ledger lines. And the great thing is, as you can already see, there are the same notes you can write here next to it, and you have it. That's all you need. And for an additional hack, when you're coming, let's say, like from the classical guitar world, like me, like myself, I have a good sentence for you here for the notes in the bass clef. I mean, these are the notes on the lines, okay? So, good. Burritos. Do not fall apart. So now you have the notes G, B, in German it's an H, sorry, D, F, and A. Brilliant, isn't it?